REKR stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm observing Rekor Systems. It is 1.62. You know, that's where we're sitting at, one of those 62 cents. Post market is a little bit higher. And in general, like my previous prediction was Gucci and that delivered. And then I'm still looking for longs. Although I would have bought if I saw my Wyckoff accumulation. But now we're back inside the demand areas. And actually, this is like, I would argue, this is even like a better place to be if you want a long. Because the RR is going to be even greater. That means more money, you know, made. But it's all kind of subjective, obviously. Like, it's not one way to trade, you know. I'm just speaking whatever's helped me and worked for me. And the only way that I will long is if I see my double breaks being met here. My confirmation, my last step of the rule. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.